So guys, that's going to be the new location for the catch can, because up here it's going to be in the way of the headlights. So it's going to be right here, and the lines are going to come down here. Mike was trying to figure out the best way.
I'm just getting everything. I put the AC compressor back on just to get an idea of where the belt's going to sit, where I can route the lines and everything, so I can make those now. Then we can take the bracket back off to have it powder coated. So I just want to have the lines and everything else made so that when it all gets back, we can just bolt everything back together there. So this is the best position of it to keep it, you know, away from the backside over there and keeping this clear and open.
And the lines are going to come down and like...
Yeah, so they're basically going to come down underneath here, and I'm going to tuck them behind the intake and then loop them down this way and then straight into the catch can. Yeah, this car is going to be going turbo in the future, so I don't want to just put it out over in the side over here, down this way, where it's going to affect the charge piping. So I just want to keep it out of the way from, you know, what the future plan is with the car, so that, you know, it doesn't have to change again, you know, in the future. So this looks to be the best place.
That looks nice. Looks pretty nice. Nice location. What do you think, guys? And trust me, Mike's been on this, putting on the front end, back and forth, because it's such a small area to work with.
Yeah, you just want to make sure that literally everything clears, like, you know, the intake clears, the, you know, the cooling fan,
and everything is easy, kind of easy to get accessible, right?
Yeah, exactly. So basically, even the factory cooling fan, because it sits on the face of the plastic on the back of it, it pushes the fan out that much further. So what we did is basically cut out an aluminum shroud that's going to then be bolted to the inside of that plastic framing of the front end, and then we're going to mount a high capacity fan to that. So that is actually over here. I was working on that yesterday, just getting everything shaped down. So as you can see here, this is going to be the inner shroud that is going to sit inside the fan housing there. So this is going to get bolted through, and then you can see the cutout here where it's going to sit underneath, because the factory fan sat on the face of here, so it came out a lot further. And we need clearance here for the intake, you know, and needed the fan to be pushed in a little bit further. So,
all right,
working on that as well.
So there it is, guys. You know, follow the YouTube, of course, and we're going to be giving you, more in-depth detail. We're just throwing little videos here and there to show you guys the update, because I know some of you guys are following the Mini Cooper Kswap build right now, but it's coming together, looking nice.
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test, I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing.